In selector position 1, the front clutch and the rear band are applied. Application of the rear band locks the planet carrier to the case. Power flow through the gear set in the drive condition is the same as in selector position D, first gear. Drive is transmitted through the front clutch to the primary sun gear and through the short and long pinions to the ring gear at the ratio of 2.39 to 1. However, on overrun, the locked planet carrier acts as a reaction member, so full engine braking is provided. In reverse, the rear clutch and the rear band are applied. The rear clutch locks the input shaft to the secondary sun gear. The rear band locks the planet carrier to the case to provide the reaction member. The input shaft turns the secondary sun gear clockwise. The secondary pinions turn anti-clockwise on their pins on the locked planet carrier. The ring gear and output shaft turn in the reverse direction with a ratio of 2.09 to 1. Full engine braking is provided on overrun.